Hello. We are here today to show a bit of a demo of the solutions for InsureYourTech.Cloud. InsureYourTech.Cloud has its portal where you can have a free simulation of your cloud outages and cloud risks, and when you can compare your services. Very simple. You go to InsureYourTech.Cloud, you go to the tab Simulation. By default, it fulfills a company name called Simulation. You can change it. But the idea is to be free and simple. So example, you can compare a service from a cloud to a service on another. Example, you can put a comparison between Amazon Elastic MapReduce and Google Cloud Data Proc as an example. You click submit on the cloud risk and it gives you a small comparison between one cloud and the other in terms of SLA usage, SLA tiers, and then the proximity to respect the SLA with the SLA risk, and then a risk according to the number of minutes that that service had outage. It's a simple comparison, and then it has the coefficients and the values and informations about the different outages of your services. Okay, very simple terms, and then fully plain explained solution. For customers which are willing to have a premium account, they can register, they can log in, and they can access our customer portal. So when you register with your email. Let's assume here Business InsureYourTech.Cloud as an example, customer name, and then customer company InsureYourTech.Cloud. You select the country that you operate. At the moment we are deployed in Europe, and we have portability valid for Europe, for the UK, and also portability valid for the US. For example, you can use in UK and you select you want a freemium account, a free tier account. You can log in, and then you can log in, you can execute and define your solution. So there's a limit of 100 technologies that you can compare, and you can press the plus button to add technologies. You select your cloud vendor, you select your technology, you define if it is global. Global has preference because it gives you a full global perspective of terms of outages. I would recommend to maintain it as global. And then you define how much is your monthly spend to give you information about your entitlement for compensation in case of failures on the SLAs from the cloud provider. You click submit and you obtain your solution comparison. I did here a small planning of 100 technologies. It takes some time, but you obtain for a series of 30 technologies on AWS, compared with 30 technologies on Azure, and then 30 something technologies on IBM Cloud. And then when you click submit, the submit button here in Cloud Risk, it takes a few seconds, but it's doing a calculation, obtaining all the values on these APIs. So when it's finished, you're going to see here a chart with the values that you can compare. Just take some time, but it's going to load the information for you on your page.